go to RogerHollowayHomes.com.
My goodness gracious, is that a gorgeous house or what? Guys, I'm on location at an established neighborhood known as Anniston Grove, and there are a few lots, for instance, right there to build on. And if you own that lot or the one 2 doors down, you definitely want to meet the young lady that I'm going to introduce you to, which is Jessica Lundgren. Hey girl.
Hi, how are you?
You're doing on your site for Classica homes these days, right?
Yes.
And
yes.
we've got a lot up here that you've got priced out at just a little over $1 million. Now, values in here, we're going to see a house that's for sale, an existing home that's for sale for $1.1 million. But tell us what you do with Classica.
Yeah, so with Classica, we'd love to build on your lot, or we have these great opportunities. This particular one we're going to show you in great locations that we know are a great spot to be, where we'd love to build you a gorgeous luxury home.
Well, and again, I know about those 2 lots over by Falls at Weddington. You've got some amazing lots over there, and you can build just about any plan. So you're heading up there on your lot division. Now, here's a house that's for sale, priced what, about 1.1 or so? I wonder why that one hadn't sold.
I'm not sure, but you know, it is a used home.
You mean an old used home? Isn't that the jargon that we use, an old used home?
So we want to show you this gorgeous lot right next door to it, where you could build a brand new Classica home. Just give Roger a call and we can get started today to price out the home that you've been dreaming of. We have 7 fabulous plans you can start from. There are a ton of options to choose from. We have a 4,000 square foot design studio, so you can pick everything you want inside the house.
First of all, we've got a lot of trees there. I've often said, we've done some stuff together down at River Chase Estate, and I've always say, hey, if you start from scratch, you can talk to, depending on who the builder is, about leaving some trees. So what's the process? How does it work?
Exactly. This is the best of both worlds, because you're picking the land, you're picking how you want it developed, you're picking the floor plan, you're picking all the options and the upgrades. And Classica makes it so easy for our homeowners. We take excellent care of you. This is our Balboa home, which is what I have advertised right now on the home site. But there's also 6 other plans that you can start from. Again, lots of them have all different options. This Balboa is a fabulous home. Has almost 3,700 square feet, your owner's suite on the main, you're going to have a guest suite on the main, dedicated space for them.
First of all, that's a big deal. In other words, guys, I hope you're paying attention to this, and if not, you want to call me anyway. The result of this is not to call the number on that sign, but to call me, one of my team members, book an appointment with Jessica, and then sit down and talk about the pricing and the plans. But here's something that really caught my attention just now. Not only is the primary suite on the main level, making it a ranch almost. It is a ranch with an upstairs, 1.5 story basically. Yo! So guess what else it is? It is a complete living space upstairs that Jessica's going to tell you about, but it's got that second suite on the main level. It's got a second bedroom. Now, does that come with a bath or not?
It does. It has a full ensuite bath. Cool. So that's really exciting. Really big. Classica's plans are known for their outdoor living space and our gorgeous sliding glass doors, multi-stacking doors, lots of ways to customize that outdoor space. So moving upstairs, as you mentioned, Roger, we've got 2 other bedrooms, a huge bonus room, which I'm showing you here split with the bonus room and a media room. So you kind of have 2 separate spaces. If you work from home or your spouse also works from home, need multiple home offices, there's an awesome little flex room. This can be a great workout room, craft room, kid play space. This is a really versatile house, as are all of our plans, so I'd love to tell you more.
Yeah, well, the cool thing, it starts with the architect, and Bill Saint, who's the CEO, this guy is the coolest guy in the room, but definitely one of the smartest guys in the room, and his wife is the designer. They put their special touch on all. They've hired a firm out of Southern California, and this firm, they are like so light years ahead. I remember when Bill Saint was explaining to me personally some years back about just how they did the little box bay off of the primary suite and why, letting light in from the sides as well as from outside. So it's luxury, it's custom, semi-custom, and the cool thing is, Jessica, tell me about some of the other plans that could go on this lot.
Yeah, so there's lots of options. You could do a ranch plan here if that fits your lifestyle better. You can do 2-story plans. You can have the primary down, primary up. We have a gorgeous Marin that you can see in our Arden Mill community that has a gorgeous outdoor space, 36 feet by almost 14 feet. So nice expanded space if you love that outdoor living.
Okay, great. You love my team, right?
I do, absolutely. Call Roger and his team today.
All right, guys, so we're looking at a gorgeous lot out here. And by the way, if you're a lot owner here at Anniston Grove, or really anywhere, allow my team to represent you and take you to Jessica at Classica and price it out and pick a plan, and that's so much fun. But here's a builder that we can trust. They're smart and the finishes are awesome. And you'll have really a type of home. When you agree, Jessica, that when your friends and neighbors come and visit you, they're going to go like, wow.
Absolutely. There's a lot of wow factor in our homes. They come very well appointed. You also have money to spend at our gorgeous design studio. There's a lot there.
Okay, great, guys. So what you want to do is give me a call, 704-345-3400. Reference Anniston Grove on this. I also mentioned 2 other lots that are down off of Antioch Church that they're hidden in plain sight. One of my team members would love to go and walk that with you and with Jessica and take a look at those, and then she's got a new neighborhood. Don't you have a new neighborhood popping up?
Yes, absolutely. Enclave at McKee, that's on the corner of McKee and Cookendall, so an excellent location.
And what's that going to be, price points and all that?
Yeah, so that's an enclave of just 10 homes. It's going to be a really nice community. We're installing extensive landscaping. Square footage there, same range from about 2,700 to 4,600.
Price points?
And price points starting at about 1.2.
Okay, guys. Well, get you a luxury home. Classica. They are amazing. Thank you so much. Hit subscribe, like, share, blah, 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 all the stuff the kids do. Couple it with a phone call, 704-345-3400. Reference Classica Homes, and we'll make it work for you.
Go to RogerHollowayHomes.com.